Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite chemical exfoliators. It's the Ordinary's AHA BHA Peeling Solution. It's an inexpensive way to exfoliate your skin if you don't want to do it on a daily basis. And it's quick and easy. Now let's get into the video. I like to use the Ordinary's AHA BHA Peeling Solution as another way to exfoliate my skin. I did a video on why I exfoliate my skin every day, and I will link it below. There are a couple ways you can exfoliate your skin to remove the dead skin cells. You can either chemically exfoliate it by using a chemical, or you can physically exfoliate it by using a scrub. And today I'm going to be using a chemical exfoliator. Before applying the AHA BHA peeling solution, I wash my face and allow it to completely dry. The AHA BHA must be applied to dry skin, and you don't want your skin to be moist or wet. Now that my skin is completely dry, I'm going to apply the AHA BHA solution to my skin. The solution comes in a glass bottle with a dropper top. I like to transfer the solution into a separate container and apply it to my face using a makeup brush. I find it easier to control instead of applying directly to my face with the dropper top. Using the brush, I can control exactly where I want the product to go and make sure that it doesn't accidentally get into my eyes, which is a big no-go. I use 4 droppers full, and I find this is enough to apply a thin layer to my entire face. Using my makeup brush, I apply a thin layer of the solution to my face. I make sure not to get the product into my eyes by leaving enough space around my eye area. This product contains AHA or alpha hydroxy acid at 30% and BHA or beta hydroxy acid at 2%. The alpha hydroxy acid helps sun-damaged skin, which we all have, and it improves collagen production. The BHA penetrates the oil in our pores, unclogging them and clearing out the dirt. These exfoliants remove dead and damaged cells and help minimize fine lines, age spots, discoloration, and acne scars, which is why I need it in my life. I was afraid to use this product at first because the idea of using an acid on my skin terrified me. I wasn't sure how my skin would react, but I decided to give it a try anyway. But let me tell you, I followed the directions to the letter. I didn't leave it on any longer. I did exactly what the directions said. So after my first use, I was hooked and never looked back. In the beginning, I experienced a slight tingle, but it did subside with weekly use, and now I don't feel any tingling whatsoever. I'm going to continue to apply the product until I have completely covered my face with a thin layer. I use this product 1 time per week, but The Ordinary says that you can use it no more than 2 times per week. I feel this is a great product and does an excellent job at exfoliating my skin. I think it is very reasonably priced, and I have purchased this product several times. Now let's talk about who this product may not be suitable for. This is probably not good for people with sensitive skin. The Ordinary states this product is only suitable for experienced users of acid exfoliation. And like I said before, I was afraid to use this product for the first time because I didn't know how my skin would react. So it's definitely something to consider before trying. However, if you are experienced with acid exfoliation, then you might like this product. But for me, it's definitely a keeper. I'll link all the information about this product down below in the description box. Even though this says that it's a peeling solution, my skin has never peeled. As I said earlier, I like to use 4 dropperfuls of the peeling solution because I feel like that's an adequate amount to cover my entire face. And as you can see, the bowl is empty. And then I like to leave the product on my face for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Now that I've waited the 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the solution with a face cloth first. I run the face cloth under warm water and thoroughly wring the face cloth out. I then begin to gently and carefully remove the solution from my face. The reason I like to use a washcloth first is because it ensures I don't get any of the product into my eyes and again gives me control when removing the product. Here's a tip. I like to use a red face cloth when removing this peel because it guarantees the product won't stain the towel, but you can use any dark cloth you like. I exfoliate my skin regularly and only use chemical exfoliation 1 time per week to enhance the physical exfoliation. I have no adverse reactions and my skin just keeps getting better. I want to apologize for the video lighting because I know it's not optimal and does not truly show what I see in the mirror or on camera. I'm working to get better with the lighting and I ask that you be patient. It's coming, I promise. Now I'm just making sure that all the solution is removed from my skin and just continue to rinse the face cloth until I'm satisfied. Now that I have thoroughly removed the peeling solution from my face, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face with water. And I'm just showing you that I didn't get any of the solution on my towel, and I'm happy about that. So now I'm just going to continue to rinse and rinse some more and just make sure that all of the peeling solution is off of my face. And that is that. Now that I've thoroughly rinsed the peeling solution from my skin, I'm just going to pat my skin thoroughly dry, and then I'm going to follow that up with my normal moisturizing routine. Something that's really important to keep in mind is if you use any type of AHA or BHA or any type of chemical peel, it's really important to protect your skin with sunscreen. So I will say that if you don't use sunscreen or you're not going to use sunscreen, then don't even waste your time with this product. Tell me, do you already use the Ordinary's AHA BHA peeling solution to exfoliate your skin? If so, comment down below. Did you find this video useful? If so, please consider subscribing to my channel so you can see more videos like this. And also give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.